Hello, this is Abhinandan. I'm editing it on January 30th, 2025. I recorded this on 27th of January. Again on 28th, I recorded again after I spoke to that lady. It is not 2 million for that land, 4,000 square feet. You will see in the next video. It's about 6 crore rupees for 4,000 square feet near a train station. Okay, not the city, not the state train station, not the Amtrak. This is like a metro for the Miami. Okay, now I want you to watch the video completely and speak to Abhinandan. That is very important. Thank you very much. Of January 2025. This is a station called Alapata station. See that? This is a train station. Okay, I walk and go this side to the library and for the other supermarket, and there's a trolley coming over there. You can see a trolley, and this is a train station. Okay, Alapata, both green and red are there. So very important information I'm giving to a real estate person. This is Abhinandan. So here I can see, you can see like this a lot of places, but this one someone is staying over there, but I'm still making a recording. Say luxury property, Luxy Properties, Vanessa Gala, real estate, available for sale, development opportunity, commercial property, zoning T41, T4L. T4 means 4 floors you can build. So this is the house over here, but at least this may be about, I will speak to her, it will be at least maybe more than 2 million. I spoke to that lady on 28th January, Vanessa. I thought it would be, since it is in the main road and Avenue 7 and next to a train station or a metro station, it will be very expensive. At least I thought it will be 2 million. 2 million will be about 17 crore. But after that, she sent me the link and the details. It is $6,59,000. You would roughly take it as $7 lakh. Okay, to get EB5, it is $8 lakh, and thousands of people from India make an investment of $8 lakh. This is, if you take $7 lakh, it is about 6 crore rupees. So I've explained more in detail in the audio, but I'm editing this on January 30th. And on 28th January, I made another video, which I'll send it to people who just call and speak to me. Only for people who have the interest, who have this kind of capacity. Or you are interested in future planning by starting with a small amount of other real estate earning, starting with at least 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees and above. Okay, there are many ways you can earn from real estate. This is only for investor who want to invest and buy a property. And my idea will be, I've explained over there, I'll explain at the end again also. If you build 24 rooms, condo, e-studio, okay, single room studio with a kitchen, toilet, everything, it will go for surely for $1,200 to $3,000. How, I will tell you that later. Let me finish this one. More than two. I'll take a photo of her email ID and the phone number you can see over there. Anyone who builds over here, see there's a trolley and there's a train station, Alapata. You can look at it, ALLAPATTAH. Okay, this is Liberty City is this side, Little Haiti is this side, Winwood is this side. See, you can see here. So I'm recording this. Someone is there inside. The paper and all is thrown there. No one is there. Okay. But you can see our number 786. Let me go inside. They opened this and all. This is Abhinandan from Bangalore. So this is a house. This one you have to tear it down. I do not know. Let me check. If she says 4 million and all, it is too much. But 2 million also is too much. Okay, means 15 crores.
Okay, so let me take a photo of this. I've already taken, but T4, T6 means it could have been nice. Some places T8 will be there. Okay, a level. Someone is staying, I think. There's a car over there. There's a light also. Okay, 3430. There's a camera over there. So, I'll in your contact and speak. This is Abhinandan. Okay, and there are a lot of properties like this next to the train station. Means if you build off T4 means commercial property development opportunity. Some 8 houses, 16 houses, 16 rooms if you build condo rooms. See, they are all they are built over there. See the train coming. Every 5 minutes a train will go. Every five to see another one is going that side. These trains are very super fast trains. So any real estate person, I'll just check it. I'll take a photo of their email ID and the number also. I will call and find out. After I find out, then you can contact me and speak to me. So I'm studying from last 2 weeks other real estate businesses. So this also will be very useful. So anyhow, let me call the number only. Okay. Uh, and I'm just taking a walk. I went for printing from the at the library, free printing. See, that's a train station. This is a very prominent place. This will all be future development, good potential. See, these are all level 1. Airport is nearby, about 4 or 5 kilometers. You can see the houses. If they sell off this houses also, it is very good. The next houses also. But this one, what is a school or something was there? A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So this is the number. Let me speak and let me get back to you. And those who are interested to come to Miami, at least this will be minimum in my estimation. The land, okay, 2 million. So 1 million is 8 crore, 2 million is 16 crore, 17 crore rupees. Okay, that's too much, but the rental income you will get it of 16 flats, 16 rooms. See, these houses and all are, but in a main area. That's the train station. For holiday people who are coming over here, it will be very, very beneficial. Let me stop it right now. This is Abhinandan.
So again, I'm confirming. On 27th, when I recorded it, I thought it is more than 2 million. Because in residential area where I'm staying also, it's about 800,000, 8 lakh dollars. Okay, where I'm staying right now, $6 lakh, $8 lakh, it is. For a house is not considered because these are all 30 years, 40-year-old houses. Okay, now all the development which is happening is to build 4 floors, 6 floors, apartment like. Okay, in this area, Winhood, and where I showed you right now, Alapata, because we Indians like it near a train station. Of course, you see everywhere no one is walking. Abhinandan is the only person is walking. Okay, because I love walking and I like to walk even for 15 minutes, 1 hour also I walk. No one walks. Okay, so when we choose, if at all you choose, you have the capacity, and there are options on how you can start small also through other businesses. Okay, but this is for investors, anyone who connect to that kind of people, because thousands of people from India put nearly 8 lakh dollars, 8 lakh and above. Nearly they put 8 crore rupees to get a EB5 visa, green card. Okay, but I know how to get a green card more easily, but I'm not going to tell you that right now. I was offered also. Now, coming to the point is that I'm showing other videos. Watch it. I spoke to her on 28th. She sent me the website link, everything. It is about 4,000 square feet. Ask me for the other video if it does not come to you. 4,300 square feet, mm, $6,59,000, about $7 lakh. $1 lakh means 86 lakhs. So your brain should work very fast. So for about $7 lakh, it's about 6 crores. So any big businessman, investor, if he's putting 6 crore rupees, he should be able to spend another 3 crore and build not an individual one house. It won't worth it. If he builds some 24 rooms, okay, 6 in 1 room, 6 to 8, 32 rooms, studios, it will surely go for, I'm telling very less, $1,000 to $1,200. But if you give it on a daily basis, on one room, you can make $3,000. Okay, so either it is Indian tourists coming from throughout USA. If you market it through Indian website, Suleka and a lot of other things are there, which I'll tell you. So if anyone is putting 9 crore above, about 8 9 crore, there is a greater chance for him to get a EB5 green card also. I will discuss that more in detail. Watch the remaining video for the fun with no subtitles. So you have to listen very carefully.
To that video of that property, you get bus 36 here, opposite side. So the train is that side, that properties for sale is that side. So you have the bus over here, train. Okay, that train is very important. That's a fast train. Okay, not metro. So your bus stops also here. 21 bus, 36 bus, lot of bus stop. 1, 2, 3 or 4 buses will come here. Then you have trolley. Liberty City trolley, and there are residential buildings over there. You can see that. That will be all for senior citizens. Okay. So it will be expensive, but in another few years' time, that will have more value. It will double its value. See, every 5 minutes you can see train coming. I am hungry right now. If not, I would have gone in this trolley. Okay, I'll go eat. If not, I would have taken one round in this trolley. This is a free trolley. Okay, this is a free trolley. And like this, they have in 14 localities. I'll make one video only about trolley. You can watch that. Okay. They keep the cycle also like this. And this is the place. This is Abhinandan. So, you have to contact and speak. If you are planning a CA, it will surely be more than 1.2 million, because it's nearly, if it is inside, it will be about 1 million, little inside. Okay, so this is not the white people area, this is all the South American people area. So that is the place I showed. That's a very important avenue. See, there's one more property for sale, 5 plots. Lot of properties are for sale here, but they'll all quote too much. So if you have money, if you have long-term vision, see, that's your station, Alapatta. Trolley, buses, everything. This is the future developing area according to what that owner has told me. And though here everyone will use cars, okay, majority people will use cars. When the tourists come, you build a house only for Indian tourists to come to Miami. See, all Indian people don't stay in Miami. No one stays. They're all at Broward, near Fort Lauderdale. And that too not near the beach side. They'll be away from the beach side, the opposite of beach side. See, this is all low economy housing. These are all. Okay, they won't be very posh. Even this also are all low economy. This is middle economy. This is all low economy housing. Okay, so I'll combine these two videos, and this is Abhinandan, 27th August, 27th January 2025. So I'm going to stop right now. Okay. Nice word over there. Can you see the word? Okay. So I'm going to stop right now. People will think that this some mad fellow is walking the center of the road. Okay. Fuck a bomber. What does that mean? See, these are all. But anyhow, they are all very lucky. They are next to the train station. If I was there, I have to walk 20 minutes from my place. See, this is I am staying in 33rd Street only, but it's a 15-20 minutes walk. Okay, I'm going to stop right now. Continue with that real estate talk only. See, these are all properties which from the owner, some real estate developer will have taken, and he will have put all the seals so that people should not rob the copper wires and other pipes and other things. He fully sealed it off, and he put these windows, private property and all. Even this property, and also this one also, if you see. Okay, but all these properties, they will. This is our seller market. Everyone is selling. Okay, but they don't buy. People are not buying. So as I'm going, that's me over there. 27th January 2025. Okay, I'm still researching from last 3 days on how I should take an effective printout from the library. 25 color sheet every day so that I get 225 to 12 cards means more than 120, 240, 300 cards per day, so that I can use it in South America. Now anyhow, coming to the point is that this is Avenue 7. Alapata was in Avenue 11 or something like that. So this is a Vinod. See, Vinod Bitcoin is put. This is like one time this was all warehouses. Vinod was filled with warehouse, manufacturing warehouse. Now it has become the mural capital. Everywhere you can see painting like that. See, Vinod Bitcoin. See, this is the area. Vinod will be a future potential because it is next to downtown. That side is downtown and that side is midtown. I will walk over there. So either real estate people, about me, I should earn money in dollars. I'm a very smart fellow. In a country, I earn from that country and invest in that country. That is how I've done earlier also. When I owned 2 properties in 2011, with $1,000, I made more than $20,000 in 6 months' time by online business. So now also I'm looking for something like that. So as I'm about to cross, I'm talking. I have a property the other side. That time I did not know. Through Artha Property, Bangalore based, Times of India Group. Artha Property used to sell properties of Florida in 2010-11. They used to do seminars in Bangalore, like how I used to do real estate seminars for some builder. In the same way, then I started researching it, and at the same time I was earning money from online business, 100% commission. I sell a $1,000 course, full $1,000 used to come to me. Okay, so joining was $1,000. And then I refer one person, I get back $1,000. Any number of people you refer, you get $1,000. Now also I have businesses of 100% commission. But now I'm starting with a small one. Let me cross. I do not know it's the right thing to do. There's no white light over there, but they're all stopping. So what I'm telling for the real estate people is, you earn more in the terms, if you maybe the land value will be little more, but it will appreciate. But when you construct, today you bring things from China and construct here, okay, very effectively, and you build 16 rooms, do what you love. That is what Abhinandan is doing. What do I love? Do what you love. That's what Abhinandan is doing. Traveling the world for fun, for friends, for food, for fruit, okay, and lot of other F. So I will tell you, do what you love. If you do what you love, so now from here I'm going to South America. Now let me continue. So I'll come to the topic of do what you love. Okay. So I have reached here. You can see two white people traveling over there. Why am I mentioning is it because this is not a white area. They are tourists. They have come to see all this mural, art, street wall. This is the Vinhood. Vinhood is the street. What is that? Olympics of street art. See, they're all there. If you can see over there. So I want to show something else. This is 32nd Street. Then I go to 33rd Street. So, if you love, do what you love. I know 97% people want to travel, but they don't want to make money. On a girl's t-shirt, very long back in Brigade Road, I saw there's some school over here. On a girl's t-shirt, very long back. See, these are all people, travelers in USA coming over here. They're not resident of these places. So they're watching all this mural. Now I already picked one book over here. I'll come to the topic of real estate then after what you love. So, okay. See, this is a book freely kept in a nice box here. But apart from the free book, what do you see here? My card. Someone has kept something else here. Let me see. That means after I came and kept this while I was going, I kept it. Someone has closed it. Support Miami's first and the only free bookstore. See, everything is free. If you search for it, you get many things what is free. Who does not love a good underdog story? Bookleggers. Here you have bookleggerslibrary.com. Bookleggerslibrary.com. So with this, I took one book that day. And the best of the queue in the not other books. I kept my slips over there. Free trip. He's not taken it, but he's kept this one. So I'm going to take this also. And my stuff is over there. So now let me walk. So today is he kept any nice book? No. But let people take my slip. Where are those foreigners? They're there. So foreigners. I'm telling you about them foreigners. So now coming to the point of real estate, if anyone is watching, two things. Now you may say, oh Abhinandan, if it is $2 million, I cannot afford. So you should have a vision. Okay. Even if you are not making money right now, Abhinandan is showing you an opportunity wherein for just not earlier for 1 month I gave this offer for 2,800 also. But there were stupid people. People like Mukul, people like Ratan, people like Anchan Murthy, Jagan, Manjunath Annaya, Vicky, and a lot of other people. Okay? They are bad luck. I told for 2,800 if you start the business, and now I won't give. Even if you beg you, I won't give that offer. That's only 1 month. Okay? So, so I walked and came like this. Now from January 10th, if you start with, now it's January 27th, I know that. I changed the offer. So, so by this time school leaves here, 2 police cars will come and stand here. So that no shooting should happen or anything like that. No shooting will happen. See, this is another property for developing here. I have taken a photo of it. This full area from this end to that end. That is a street in which I am there. So let us go to my street by showing you this. So these are all future. All investors will have taken off. And they can't sell right now. Because people prefer downtown there, that midtown over there. The American people love over there. But I will tell you, you have to choose where a metro station or a train station is there. This is a school over here, and all this area what you're seeing will get destroyed. See, this was also a residential area. According to the information what I've got, all these are non-American people, Hispanic people, South Americans. See, fall in love with Rose Vinhood from this end, from 32nd Street to 33rd Street. I stay in 33rd Street. So rosevinhood.com. These are all apartment. You should not take an apartment. Okay? You will never have the freedom to rent it out the way you want to make big money. So I got the mood of recording it. So I thought I'll go out from last 3 days. 3 days, nice sun is there. January 25th, January 26th, today is January 27th. Okay? So everywhere they say fall in love with, do what you love and all. So for other people, I'm telling if you the moment you listen, $1 million, okay, or you multiply it, 86 rupees, or 8.6 crores, not possible. So you should have a vision. See that Kohli going, Nati Kohli. Here everywhere you'll see Nati Kohlis like this. That is the national bird of Miami, and the Miami flag, Florida flag, sorry, Miami flag looks like Indian flag. So this is the street I am there. But my owner has told me don't record in front of the house because he's told people are frightened who is this fellow recording. Actually you're not supposed to record. Here if it was white people, no, American people, they would have given a complaint already and one police fellow would have come. See, these are all house broken already. See, he's put a bed over there. Okay, this is that rosewood. All this they're going to destroy. So still where it will happen. So you should not take like this. See, all this still here, till the end of this wall. Big apartment complex will come here. So this is according to my owner and other people I know here. This is a developing area. The building what you call over there is called Midtown. Midtown Miami. Okay, so if you're watching this on the YouTube, contact Abhinandan on the number over here. So either you are not having money also, but if you have a vision and start with 90,000 rupees, real business. Okay, so people laugh. What business you can do with 33,000, 34,000, 35,000? Okay, 35,000 rupees or 90,000 rupees. And that offer is now only. Earlier I was seeing all dogs barking because I'm talking loudly. See, dog 1, dog 2. Okay. So, see the hens over here. All another dog started. So the owner told over there, don't record in front of our road. Because already 2-3 people complain, who's this guy recording? Okay, see here. No dumping, area under police surveillance, $500 fine, arrest. Okay. So anyhow, according to the information what I know, this is the future developing area. All these houses what you see will get destroyed, will never be there. Okay. So another one more wave of growth will happen like it happened in Miami in 2010, 15 years ago, and it's still going on. But if you have it the Indian mindset, Indian mentality, okay, like my sister mentality or anyone else, you earn money. I'll show you how to earn money. If you start with now 33,000, later it will increase. Later it will increase to 3 lakh rupees. I won't give an offer to visit USA, explore all these opportunities and all. But if you are a self-cheater like Ashish Nigam, now when I call them rascals, other people get offended. Because those rascals wasted my time. And telling lies that, you know what? Oh, I have 2,800 rupees. That is why I'm calling you. Because I don't attend, I don't give a Zoom presentation or I don't give a business opportunity explanation also until I qualify a person. And I've reached my place right now. I'm going to stop. So contact Abhinandan, speak to Abhinandan and talk to me. Okay. So for me already there are complaints here. You talk very loudly on the road. And all other people can't complain, so my known people only will complain. So this is the area. Another 4 houses is the place where I'm staying. So then after eating something, I will eat Genso and then go. See, that person will watch and go tell everyone. Okay, the person is taking that bike outside. So what I'll do is talk to me, contact me on the number, speak to me 4 or 5 times, understand the business, work for it 6 months time seriously, earn money, and after 1 year time plan to come to USA. Okay, No one can help you like Abhinandan. Even your brothers, sisters will never have ideas like Abhinandan. Thank you very much. See, the airport is this side. Every 3 minutes an aeroplane will go. Another 1 month I'll be here maximum. Today is 27. Today is my last day for the visa on February 27th. Thank you very much.